This Sunday will mark 1 year since a devastating windstorm blew through the Bemidji area, causing millions of dollars in damages and changing the area's landscape forever. Our reporter Sydney Dick joins us live in studio tonight with a closer look at where Bemidji stands today and how far the city has come in storm recovery over the past year. Sydney?
Thank you, Dennis. I had the chance to speak with Mayor George Prince and the leaders of several other local organizations who were directly involved in storm cleanup and recovery. Immense progress has been made over the past year, but for many, the journey is not over yet.
I think in some ways it feels like it's a year, in other ways not at all.
There's so many layers to this that you clear the first emerging need and then have another one that you see.
One way that I describe this and our story is that it could be a sad story, but we really need to look at this in a positive light. We need to look at how our community came together, whether it be our city, the county, the tribes, all of the volunteers that came in, everybody standing shoulder to shoulder to get things done. That is really what we need to concentrate on, is the resilience and the perseverance of our community.
In the early morning hours after hurricane-level winds rampaged through the streets of Bemidji, first responders were expecting the worst.
We were fully anticipating significant injuries and were preparing for fatalities. As the hours progressed, those calls never came in, so we consider ourselves incredibly fortunate.
Beyond belief. I have no other way to describe it other than a miracle.
There was no loss of life during the storm, but 9 million toppled trees caused significant city damage and interruption to daily life.
You could hear the trees crashing outside and, you're scared. I would tell you, I had no idea that United Way was going to be busy at all. It didn't even cross my mind.
But the United Way, Community Resource Connections, and other local organizations were busier than they had ever imagined, with volunteers coming in from all over the country with recovery aid for the thousands who sustained damages. Bemidji was unrecognizable when littered with fallen trees, but even after a year of cleanup, it has not returned to how it was before.
I drive through Diamond Point Park. We have replanted there. There's some good things going on. But we're missing 260 trees. You can't just ignore that when you drive through Diamond Point. And when you reflect on what it used to look like and what it looks like now, it's stark, it's different, and it'll never truly be the same. It can be something new, it can be something great, but it won't ever truly be the same.
While there's less trees to provide shade in Bemidji these days, it allows for brighter days ahead.
If there was a silver lining in it all, it was to see community come together. And especially in the immediate weeks afterwards, we just saw neighbor helping neighbor. So to see all of those people come together to unite and kind of dig our city out of the rubble was amazing.
That's the most beautiful thing, is watching people help each other and step up and want to utilize their skill set or their abilities to help somebody who doesn't have that. I wish we did that all the time. We do that all the time in a lot of ways, but to push forward that quickly was a really magical time to work together.
The last year has truly been a blink of an eye, and it's going to feel like it is going to bed on Friday and waking up on Saturday and planning on doing what I was going to do a year ago.
One event that the storm disrupted last summer was the annual Loop the Lake bike ride around Lake Bemidji, which was supposed to happen the day after the storm, but was subsequently canceled. This year, the festivities are back and will kick off tomorrow.
All right, thank you very much, Sydney, for that report tonight, 1 year later. And the Loop the Lake will be back to its normal route for the first time since 2024. Bikers will start their trek at the South Shore Beach and make the 17-mile route around the lake starting at 7:30 tomorrow, Saturday, June 20th. And of course, the official 1-year anniversary of the storm is this Sunday, June 21st.
Lakeland News is a nonprofit news organization. Donate to Lakeland PBS today to support your local news team.